name of a person first. See, when I ask person, suppose if you say name of a person means, you will say Ramasamy, Suresh, Kupusamy, or Madasamy, or Punita, or Shanti, like that you used to say. No, that is not the criteria. See, when you talk about person, when you want to give an example for name of a person, you should think about different places first. If you take house first, and then school second, and then hospital third, and then market, and then temple, church or mosque, you can easily spot out different types of persons. Name of a person is not just a name of a particular person. See, persons are, dealing or coming into different mode, I can say. They'll be go with different professions. So they'll be going with different positions. So like that, you have to, systematize names of persons. In a house, shall we go in a house? Shall we go for persons in a house? A simple house, a simple family. Father, mother, son, daughter, child, baby, kid. See that? It goes like that. Suppose, now take the thing. You have to go a bit, broader. The father is a man. Is a name of a person. Mother is a woman. She is the name of a person. Okay. That father is a husband to that woman. A wife. Mother. Mother is a wife to the father. Okay. The son is a boy. The daughter is a girl. Okay. Now, the relationship. The son is a brother of that daughter. The daughter is the sister of that brother. Okay, like that it goes. So in a simple house, in a simple family, you are having about 10 to 12 nouns. So you have to bring out, you have to accelerate these things. You have to exemplify these things like that only. So you have got 12 nouns in a house. When I ask you, give me name of a person now. Suppose if you say Ramasamy, Kuppusamy, Madasamy, Suresh, like that. No, your vocabulary, your word bank will not be thrived, will not be specialized, will not be rather multivarious. You will not be getting multivarious words for the formation of your sentences when you want to speak or write, or when you take a book and read. So in the art of reading as well as writing and speaking, you need a lot of words to be banked in your brain. So you have to take into account different types of names. Like that. We can think about grandfather, grandmother, granddaughter, grandson in the family itself, and then uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece, like that you can go. And then someone who is out of the family, when you take into account father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law, sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, brother-in-law, like that it goes. So you can have as many nouns as possible, even in your house itself. You need not go out at all. So charity begins at home, they used to say. I can say knowledge begins at home. Grammatic knowledge begins at home itself, you see, if you think rather dynamically and diplomatically. Okay, very good. So, then the next one that I'm going to take is school. In school, you can go like that, no? Teacher, student, okay? I mean, principal, headmaster, class teacher, okay? And then driver, conductor, nadatatis, okay? And then cashier, receptionist, clerk, assistants, peons. You can go with different people. So this is the way that you should broaden the knowledge of bringing out different persons into your mind so that they become infused and become part and parcel of your usage. So this is the way that you should develop your word bank, increase your word bank with which you can purchase, because those words are coins with which you can purchase the art of reading, writing and speaking. Okay, my dear. So you have to go like that for getting yourself thorough with names of persons.